Be sure to visit our website at stoneandsons.net for more details on all of our projects, including plans. I wanted to take a different approach on the typical how-to videos that you're used to seeing here on this channel. I wanted to take just a project and just kind of narrate on top of it about what it means to be a maker. So meet Brad. He's a friend of mine and he's a maker. There are really many ways to define what a maker is, but when I think about a maker or the word maker, I think about someone who works at something to achieve a particular result. As a content creator, I make things, but I also make videos about making those things. In this particular project, it was nice to just get behind the camera, get some cool shots of Brad making a couple of pins. But as I filmed him in the shop, I was reminded of the importance to actually enjoy your work. You know, enjoy the things that I'm doing while I'm making something, and not just look forward to the end result. There are so many things that throughout each project to look back on that we can learn from. In this project, I saw the enjoyment firsthand, which is usually missed in a typical how-to video. In addition to giving some dramatic video footage and a link to the step-by-step article, which is linked below, my message for you is this: to enjoy whatever it is you're doing, and know that every step in your project is a stepping stone for the next one. So whatever it is you do, enjoy what you're making, whatever you make, and don't overlook the process of being a maker. You can find a full step-by-step how-to article linked below on how to make pins. Check out the link, and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.